Hi guys! So today we're going to make brownies. If you're interested in this recipe, don't forget to click that subscribe button and share it to your friends. Have fun!
Hello everyone, I am Chazey Lenard Valencia, and in this video we're gonna be making brownies. Let's go! For the ingredients, they are very simple. All you need is 1 and 1/4 cups of Nutella, half a cup of flour, and 2 large eggs. Charan! You're also gonna need a mixing bowl, of course. And let's get right on with the procedure. So once you've got all the ingredients inside the mixing bowl, we're gonna have to start mixing them. So let's go. And after mixing all the ingredients, grab yourself a container and spray some oil. Alternatively, if you do not have a spray, you could use a brush and brush some oil in the container. And of course, after that, you're gonna put in your mixture into that container. Ano pang gagawin mo? Now this part right here, I added some walnuts. However, this is optional. It's also fine if you don't add walnuts or any type of nut to your brownies. And finally, the final part of the process, we're gonna bake the mixture at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. And so this is it, pansit. This is the final product of our brownies. And you can cut it how big or how small you want it to be. I cut it this size so I can eat it in one bite. And this is me tasting the brownies and saying to myself,
Wow! Super duper sarap niya.
and yes, I hope you guys enjoyed. I really enjoyed making this brownies. And napapasayaw na ako sa sobrang sarap. And thank you so much for watching and goodbye!